blue earth, vast oceans, and the land. Only 30% of that land is covered by forests. The trees of the forest withstand wind and rain and breathe in carbon dioxide and release oxygen into the atmosphere every day. Some trees that mature over long periods of time reach us as timber. Seeing the trunk that stretches towards the sky and the engraved age rings, we are reminded of the magnificence of nature and the value of wood as a natural resource. Since our establishment, we at Meinan Machinery Works have worked together with our clients to achieve effective use of forest resources through plywood manufacture. At the same time, we have advanced our business with the development of faster, less costlier, and higher quality wood processing machinery. F equals ma. Newton's famous law of motion is what employees learn and understand. That is the rule at Meinan Machinery Works. Anchoring values on the laws of nature and using logical and scientific means, we have constantly produced new processing technologies and manufacturing machinery that have contributed to the industry up to now. Meinan Machinery Works is located in Obu City in Aichi Prefecture. We develop, manufacture, and sell various plywood manufacturing equipment, such as drum sanders, veneer composers, and rotary lathes. We are active globally as we currently supply and provide after-sales services for our products in Japan and around the world. Founding President Katsuji Hasegawa's life work is reflected in the corporate philosophy of a development-based business that emphasizes research and development. Hasegawa, who studied physics in night school and changed jobs 7 times, established Meinan Machinery Works in 1953. The Super Drum Sander was the first ever product co-developed with his employees through trial and error, and it sold successfully. However, while Hasegawa reaped the benefits of their labor, he wondered why the product sold so well. If the precision of thickness of the veneer that makes up the plywood is adequate, the final sanding process can be reduced. The disparity of core veneer thickness particularly affects the quality. To validly process the core veneer, we started development of the veneer composer. But this new machine differed from the machines developed to date and required more advanced design capabilities. Employees needed even greater skills by comprehensively relearning science and physics. Hasegawa led the way and started a study group. However, there was a mixed reception, and not all employees consented, with some employees even leaving the company. However, Hasegawa persevered in imparting to employees a common language necessary for working towards the same goal. That is how the team of Meinan Machinery Works grasped the laws of physics and nature and confronted matters with great devotion and unlocked their creative powers to develop the veneer composer. This was the start of the Newton Club for the young employees at the time to study physics from the basics. Deepened understanding raised the standards of the technicians. By exploring the cause, a precise target comes to light, and by aiming higher, the next challenge emerges naturally. In 1977, which marked the company's 24th year in business, the Meinan employees' investigation into the fundamental issue of the precision and quality of veneer thickness led to the completion of their original rotary lathe and a wrist lathe. This achievement was also by virtue of the study group that broadened the common understanding of the team members. In the long history of Meinan Machinery Works, approximately 150 models numbering roughly 6,000 units have been produced. Each employee who has been involved in product development carries the simple and universal law of F equals MA within their hearts. Wisdom and ingenuity are encapsulated in one product, as are the hypothesis and proof. We hope that together with clients, such products can support the plywood manufacturing business, make effective use of forest resources, and contribute to the preservation of healthy forests. Each employee assigned to development and design has CAD equipment of their own. Though the design tools have changed from being analog to digital, F equals MA has taught us that a scientific perspective and humble attitude towards nature's laws remain the same as always. There are countless research documents stored in the headquarters library. They are the footprints of a development-based company. No matter how outstanding the design concepts and ideas are, it's pointless if the product does not take shape. The material must be analyzed and processed, and the manufacturing and processing technologies must make it into a product. Our company greatly depends on concepts based on the universe governing laws of nature. Meinan Machinery Works aims to manufacture machines that contribute to the client's business while promoting environmental friendliness. From the 1950s to the 1970s, Japan's industrial technology solely pursued prosperity and abundance. In that industrial scene, Meinan Machinery Works started manufacturing machines in accordance with the laws of nature and focusing on the effective use of precious forest resources. Meinan Machinery Works compels employees to return to the basics and relearn physics because that is where it all began. Founding President Katsuji Hasegawa declares that the study groups don't depend on me, have confidence in the laws of nature. Being accepting and compliant with the laws of nature has not changed since the olden days. It is that same law that also connects people to each other. We at Meinan Machinery Works will continue to base our foundation on F equals MA to connect employees, clients, and the world as a way to make our contributions to society.